Okay, there is that one place in this entire room that my budgie is not allowed, and that is on this here computer, because this particular button here was removed by this particular budgie. But where does the budgie constantly want to go? Oh, by the way, my budgie drinks cappuccino. But no, off limits, off limits, off limits. Get off. There we go. Off limits. There we go. Good boy. Off limits, off limits, off limits. No, off limits. No. You aren't allowed on the laptop. Okay? Okay? Off limits. Off limits. Off, off. There we go. Okay. Off limits. This could go on for a while. Off limits. Off limits. Charlie, off limits. Off limits. Off limits. Off limits. Come on. Off we go. Come on. Off limits. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. That's better. That's better. Gorgeous. Look at your pretty colors. Look at your pretty colors. Look at that. You're gorgeous. Yeah. This video is going to be too long. I only wanted it to be a couple of seconds. You're standing on my bed and it hurts. Your claw is digging in. Get off of it. Get off of it. Good boy. Hello. Now we're flirting, are we? Are we flirting now? Ooh. Hello. Okay, there we go. You can have some cappuccino.